So it's been over a week since I've had this second Pixel Fold. And after seeing, comments with the last short and video and some of the Reddit posts and stuff, I guess people really think it's some type of rage bait or something. Like I'm trying to upset people or get attention by pointing out the crease. But honestly, as someone that's owned, like three or four other Fold devices from at least two other companies, when I first opened the newest Fold, the crease was so shallow. I was like, oh wow, they figured it out. It's significantly better than Samsung. And then after about 2 or 3 days, when it started getting deeper, especially when I started developing bumps and little sharp spots, I started to get worried. So I mentioned it, especially when I got a second one, and that one had a significantly better crease. But again, I'm bringing it up because, sure, that is kind of important to know, but it's not a big deal. I'm still keeping this phone. It's my daily phone. I love it. I use it. I'm not trading it in or anything. I'm keeping it. So that'll just show you that I'm mentioning something I've noticed. It's definitely not to dissuade anyone. I still think this is probably the best foldable you can get right now in the US by far.